Listen to this.
When I attended his session in 2019, I was the HR head, but today I am the CEO.
After and joining this session, cleared pictures about my career growth and the career motivation and all.
Very, very enriching and enlightening.
The journey from HR to CEO, it sounded so easy for us, It's like the basic things, if you get it right.
And the kind of a vibe, that positive vibe that he has given us, brought a smile, and it was throughout the session that we felt.
Trust me that the way he conducts, that the way he is more closer to the participants over here, it's phenomenal.
These are the HR leaders who attended HR to CEO workshop. And trust me, it's a game changer. HRs are the heart of company. You juggle with everything, hiring, policies, people's drama. But in an AI-driven world, what's left for HRs? Automation is taking over the boring stuff. So, how do you stand out? Because when people love coming back to work, productivity isn't a struggle. It's an art. But how? Meet Sushil Agarwal, founder and CEO of Ethica, a man who has mentored HR leaders across the country on how to build happier and more engaged workplaces. His workshop isn't just a workshop, it's an HR career upgrade. And here's the best part. We put top HR leaders under one roof. Imagine the connections, the conversations, and the networking. You will be in a room full of decision makers, the ones who shape the future of work. This workshop is happening across the country. Mumbai, Delhi, Ahmedabad, Bengaluru, and now we are in Hyderabad. And honestly, we don't know when we'll be back. So if you're in Hyderabad, this is your shot. We have limited seats and we are selling out very fast. So don't miss your chance. Sign up now, and if you qualify, we got some exclusive perks waiting for you post-workshop. And we promise you won't regret this.